Misha, welcome back to my channel. You guys have requested me to do a eyebrow tutorial. So in today's video I am going to show you how to define and fill in brows with the eyebrow pencil and also reviewing this product. In today's video I am reviewing this Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the packaging. It comes with a plastic cap. It has no spoolie with it. This is priced for 205 rupees and 0.78 gram product. I have two shades with me. One is dark brown, another one is dark grey. This also comes with pure brown shade. I am also doing a demo using this pencil. So if you want to know how to define and fill in your brows, then please keep watching. This is how my brow looks naturally. I clean up my brows at home during this COVID situation. Now I fill in my brows with Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in shade dark brown and grey also. If you have pure black hair, then go for dark brown shade. I have the combination of black and brown hair, so I using dark brown shade and grey also. Best way to hold this pencil like angular position. Don't hold this straight like this. I don't like to start filling my brows from the initial part. I like to start filling my brows from here. Now I bring you closer and you can see how I do this. So the first thing I do, take my spoolie and brush it in the direction they are growing in. The front hair will be straight, the other hair will be combed on the direction they are growing in. With a feather-like stroke, I filling my brows on the direction they are growing in. Make sure you don't apply lots of pressure. Just going to slightly outline my brow and filling with the direction of hair. Brush my brow. The product has distributed evenly and the brow looks more natural. Then I overdraw my brow and just again comb my brow. And you can see the difference. On this side of my brow, I have used Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. This side looks more natural, fuller, thicker and defined. So the next step is completely optional. You can use concealer to clean up your outer area of brow or carve out the brow. I am using this concealer from Maybelline. So first I apply the concealer on the bottom of my brow. And blend it. Now I am applying the concealer over the top of my brow, not very close to overdrawn brow, and blend it. So here is the finished look. I am just complete my makeup and right back. So that was the demo guys. Now let's move on to the review. I have never used grey eyebrow pencil before. I always use dark brown color brow pencil, but I am quite happy with this grey color. This color suits on every Indian skin tone. This is the only grey eyebrow pencil I have. The texture of this product is not too creamy and not very waxy. This is somewhere in between. This one lasted for me around 6 to 7 hours. After that, it becomes light, fadey. This is not a waterproof eyebrow pencil. This is water resistant. If you are looking for a budget-friendly drugstore eyebrow product, then I will highly recommend this one. and always have an eyebrow brush to distribute the product evenly. Hope you really find the tutorial to be helpful. So buy it, use it and let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. I will meet you again in my next video. Till then, tata and take care.